Our horses are not they're getting lined up. Remember they said they like to line up with who they like to line up with? So they know what they're doing, don't they?
So hold him on up?
Yep.
Ditya, what's his name? You didn't ask? Ask him. Huh?
Have you ever ridden before?
Yeah.
Have you? Where do you live? You do? Wow, you're a long way from home, aren't you? Do you ride a lot at home or just a little bit?
My friend who lives on a farm, and so one summer I took her snowboarding.
Oh, that's great.
Hey, my gentleman with the hat on, down here's the corner. Come on down.
Gloria? Sequoia?
What's your horse's name? Chet Trigger? Really?
All right, sir in the burnt orange shirt, button up. Come down to tank. Raise your hand, Marcus. Raise your hand. Ma'am, right here in the black, you'll come down to Hidalgo. And where's my gentleman with the hat? Yeah, come on down to me. My gentleman in the striped blue and white shirt, come on down to Dan.
He may need to get up on the lift. He got a bad hip.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.